To my channel. So once again I'm with the unboxing of new phone Oppo F5 which I bought it from Amazon. The link is in below description. So please click on it and buy it. So I buy it from exchanging the phone which is my iPhone 5s. I've sold it for around 6,000 and I got it for around 13,999 only. So let's start the unboxing of the box. So as you can see, the Amazon has given me in this pretty box. So let's start unboxing. So I have a bin around here which is tightly cleaned. As you can see, this is the invoice which I got it from the Amazon. It's clearly stated the price amount, the GST amount, and the address amount, and it's delivered within 1 day. So this is the new phone, Oppo F5. With whose photo is this? I think it's Deepika photo over here on this box. So over on the back side we can see is AI battery technology, 4GB and plus 30GB ROM with facial unlock feature and full screen, and is 6 inches HD, full HD. So on the side is written Oppo only. So here's also Oppo, and pretty much it says made in India, not in made in China, which is pretty good. So all the products are now made in India only. So great initiative by our PM. Let's start. I have a cutter right now. I don't have my usual cutter.
Yes, got a hello.
So with a little bit of difficulty, I finally able to open it. So cleaning up this polythene bag over here. Seal pack box. Let me push it aside. Again the same difficulty which I have while opening my MIA1 phone. Right now, and the same difficulty I'm opening with the Oppo F5 phone. So just a box with Deepika photo on it, and this photo is not on this. I don't know why. So seal is there. Let me break up this seal. So no more seal over here. Wow, a brand new Oppo F5 wrapped in perfectly in polythene. So you can see a brand new Oppo F5. So on the back side, what is written? So on the back side it has written a nano SIM card, another nano SIM card slot, and a micro SD slot, and some warnings over here with IMEI number and everything. So let me keep it aside over here, and let's see what else we got on the phone. So as usual, oh wow, a back cover on this phone with this package, very good. So we don't have to run to the market to get a back cover. That's good. Some manuals, instruction manuals as usual. Some warranty cards. A turbo charger with this, which says made in China. So outside the box it said that all things are made in India, but the charger is saying made in China. So normal power charger with 240 volts. So keep it high. A USB cable for charging your phone, for connecting with the laptop, with various devices. That's okay. And finally, a USB jack with earphones perfectly to listen to your music and talk wireless on. says in the box. Nothing much on the box else. So let's keep it aside only. So let's start the phone. So over the phone, first let me tell you. So here you can see a speaker, a USB jack over here, and 4 earphones and a mic. On the side you can see a power button to turn off your phone. Another mic over here. So this phone has got 2 mics, one from this side, another on here, and a volume up and down button. So let me just start this phone. So on starting phone you can see an Oppo. An Oppo welcome screen. So since this is the first time boot, is taking up a time over here. So select language, it's asking for language. So let me select English. English UK and next. So connect to Wi-Fi. Right now I'm not going to connect it to Wi-Fi. So terms of use, user agreement, I accept, then continue. So Google services help apps find new location, improve location accuracy, that's okay. Then nothing to more, then to more, accept. Fingerprint, face and password. So right now I'm not going to put any password on this phone, so I'm going to skip this step. So skipping this step. Wi-Fi assistant, I don't have Wi-Fi configured right now, so going to next step, continue. So this phone is asking me about the importing data from the old phone or set up a new Oppo phone. So I will set as a new Oppo phone. So on setting up as a new Oppo phone is saying welcome Oppo phone. So get started. So this is the Oppo screen with menu over here. You can see the touch is very pretty cool, as smooth as an iPhone. So let me go to camera over here and let me show you camera quality. So this is the camera quality of the back camera. As you can see, it's showing up a very clear picture. Since we have a sum over, let me click this picture over here and let me show you. Okay. So you can see the picture is very clear. Even if I zoom up, no pixel distortion is there. You can read the every letter very clearly. So turning on navigation center, okay. Let me go to front camera. Since we have a cover over here, so front camera I can't show you right now. So let's get to back cover only. So this is the new iPhone which I got it. Let me use it for a couple of days and I will show you. So Oppo phone which we got it from Deepika and Ritik. So please subscribe to my other channels as well, which is around that filmy gossips only. So till now, for the next time, please do see my other videos of unboxing. I recently done the unboxing video of Mi A1 and soon going to be doing the unboxing of the OnePlus 5T. So stay tuned for more. Till then, please subscribe to my channel and thank you.